Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a structural engineering problem for your FE review. In this case, we are looking at the stability of a truss. We're given a truss structure and we need to determine if it's statically determinate, statically indeterminate, unstable, or none of the above. So when you see a problem like this on the FE exam, make sure that you go to your FE reference manual. In this case, it's going to be page 271. And for our problem, we have a truss, so we're going to be using these formulas right here for the plane truss structure. So as you can see, m plus r is greater than, equal to, or less than 2j. I'm just going to go ahead and write that for us on our page right here. And I'm not going to include the less than, greater than, or equal to just yet because we're not sure what that result is at the moment. So let's just use the formula to conduct the analysis. So M is going to be the number of members that we have in the truss. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 members. So that's the first part of our formula is already filled in. And then reactions. So we know that we have a pin right here and we have a roller over here. So if you remember from statics, a pin is going to have two reactions. It's going to have a Y reaction and it's going to have an X reaction, right? So we'll just call this A and then we'll call this B. And as you can see, we have AY and AX for this one. So that means that for the roller reaction, we got to have BY. If you count up the number of reactions that we have, that's going to be 3. So that's another part of the formula for us. And then for J, it's going to be the number of joints that this structure has. So you can count the joints right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 joints. So we're just going to put a 7 next to our 2 in place of the J. And we're going to get 13 and 14 for each side of the equation. So that ends up being less than. The left side of the equation is less than the right side. So let's go back to our FE reference manual and see what that tells us about the structure. So in this case, if m plus r is less than 2 times j, the classification is unstable for the truss. So now that we filled out our formula, that tells us our truss is unstable, and the answer is going to be C. So I hope this video helped you understand how to conduct this type of analysis for your FE exam review. We're here to help you pass your FE exam, and we hope videos like this are very helpful. Make sure to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this in the future. Also leave a like and leave a comment with what you would like to see us cover next. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.